If you're a guy, you're in your 20s watching this and you don't have a Lamborghini, you should sit down and you should have a serious discussion with yourself.
Fuck you!
A never-ending stream of advice from internet millionaires. Thousands of videos promising to teach you how to make tens of thousands of dollars without any effort, lazy ways to make money, and magical projects that bring in 100% of profit every single month. An abundance of step-by-step guides and just masses of information about success and wealth fall on you daily. But the only thing this stream does is simply burn you out. No, you are not a failure, and you are not stupid or weak. It's just that what you watch on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, all these successful, beautiful, healthy, and happy people, is just a covering. It's a way to ignite envy in you, to awaken the desire to live such a bright and wealthy life. Riding a Lamborghini, buying a mansion on the ocean coast, and building $1 million deposit by the age of 20. Yeah, it sounds amazing. And when you are offered all this luxury for a nominal fee of a few $1,000s, you are ready to give it away at the same moment.
Shut up and take my money!
Just teach me.
Teach me.
Give me that magic pill or magic wand or whatever you have. Just give me this information. The funniest thing is that these people often do not lie to you. They really are millionaires. But it was people like you who made them millionaires. Those who bought their courses. Those who gave money to them in the hope of getting something much bigger. But all you will get on such courses is information that can be found in open sources, perhaps a few tips from personal experience. And when you rush to try out the knowledge you have gained in practice, you will find that nothing works. It can't be that your beloved blogger sold you faulty information. He's a millionaire thanks to this unique information. Those thoughts will destroy you and trample your self-esteem into the dirt. But just open up the statistics and increase your level of distrust toward internet gurus, and you'll realize that you're not so bad after all. Only 1% of the adult population in the world can boast of having that coveted million in their bank account. Only one person out of 100 has managed to earn $1 million, and that includes people of all ages. Yet some guy on YouTube is trying to convince you that you're a failure if you can't afford a Lamborghini. With the development of technology, it really is becoming easier to earn money, and I'm just like you, trying to do so. On this channel, I will never teach you how to become a millionaire because I'm not even close. But I strive for it, make various attempts, make mistakes, and gain experience, and I want to share it with you. I suggest you try to become a prosperous person, and it's up to you to decide whether to buy another course and be disappointed, or move forward slowly building your financial independence, making mistakes, and achieving goals. Will you burn in the stream of fake opportunities, or slowly make your way through the thorny realities toward your cherished goal? It's up to you to decide.